We're here today with Tom from TJ Lawn Ornaments to discuss his experience with CBD. Let's look at the beautiful work that Tom does. And every one of these are made by hand by Tom. The hours and hours of work. And here's some beautiful work from Tom's wife. Tom, tell us about your experience with CBD and what made you try it.
Well, first of all, my son used it, and he swears by it, and he's convinced me that it would help me with the pains in my knee and my back. I tried it, and within an hour, my pain in my knee was gone. I don't have to use the support anymore that I used all the time. I swear by it, and I would recommend it to anybody.
How frequently do you have to use it, Tom, to get that relief that you get?
Well, I take 4 drops in the morning and 4 drops at night, and it seems to do the job, and I sleep better. I was amazed. I usually sleep maybe 5-6 hours, and I'm getting 8 hours in.
So in addition to alleviating the pain, it's helping you get a better night's sleep as well.
Yes, and I don't get up as often, so I get a peaceful night's sleep.
Do you feel it's eliminated some of your anxiety that you may have had at all?
Yes, I am a person who is very anxious all the time, and I seem to be calmed down a little bit, and it feels good.
That's great. So is your intention to continue with the CBD?
As long as I can.
Yeah, great. Well, we thank you very much for your comments. Good luck in your business, and once again, your work is absolutely stunning. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
You too.